Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So this is my first English video. Hope you guys will like this. And some of my subscribers were demanding the English videos, and so I decided to make videos in English also. So let's start. Today's topic is twin flame facts. So I would keep it very simple today. Okay, so let's begin with the with some facts about the twin flames. Okay, so fact number one is that your twin comes in your life when you are going through a very tough phase. Okay, you are facing very deep you are facing a very difficult phase in your life, and it means when you are completely helpless, you are feeling completely helpless and there is no way out, then your twin comes in your life and here starts your journey. Okay, so this was the fact number one. And then fact number two, the term love at first sight never applies in the twin flame journey. Okay, so there is no this type of love that is called love at first sight. When you first met your twin, you instantly recognize, both of you instantly recognize each other, but somehow there is no feeling of intense love. You just met and get separated, but you think for a while that who is this person. Then comes fact number three. Whenever you remember your twin, you are feeling an urge to meet your twin. This is because your twin is feeling the same. He is also missing you. When you miss your twin very badly, it means that at that time your twin is also missing you, and he also wants to meet you. He or she also wants to meet you. So the intensity of the feelings are the same on both sides. Okay, then fourth, no matter how much he or she try to hide his feelings or anything about him, their drawbacks, their qualities, no matter how much they are trying to hide everything, but you know everything about him. It is because he or she is the part of your soul, so they cannot hide anything from you. This is a very important fact, that you will feel that you don't know how you come to know everything about your twin, but a very strong telepathy works in between both of you. That is why you know everything about your twin. Then next, number 5, your twin rarely comes into your dreams. He or she will come in your dream, but it is their coming into your dreams is with a meaning. It's for some purpose, to fulfill a purpose. They will come into your dream to fulfill a purpose, or to convey some message, or to convey something to you, convey something meaningful to you. Otherwise they rarely come into your dreams. Then comes the fact number 6. You and your twin are always connected in 5D. Means the higher selves of your souls are always connected, but in 3D, in this 3D world, you both have major differences. Major differences. You are just opposite to each other. The there is when it comes to physic physical attributes or thinking pattern, you both are completely different, but deep inside somewhere you are same. When you come to know each other closely, then you will feel that you both are at some level, you both are thinking at the same level. One is good in 3D world, one is good in one thing and the other is in the other thing. It means if you are very much spiritual, then your twin will be practical. He or she will deal in this 3D world, material world. If you are spiritual, then they are material. They are very much interested in this material world, because you both have to balance each other. Both of your personalities are going to balance each other. So there are so many differences in this 3D world. Then comes the next point. No matter how badly you fight, you are unable to keep grudges against your twin. You cannot curse them. You cannot keep anything inside. Okay, you will just tell them what you are feeling, and then that's it. You will never feel bad about them. You will never curse them. You will never say anything bad. You can't say anything bad or think anything bad. You can't conspire against your twin. Okay, so this is the fact, and this is a very strong fact, that you both can't keep grudges for each other. Then there is a very strong telepathic connection between both of you. When you meet each other and then you come to know each other closely, then you will feel that you can feel the touch, the feelings, the moods of your twin very clearly. You will come to know what they are feeling right now, no matter what they are saying on your face, but you deep inside you know very well what they are thinking or what they are planning or what they are doing. So there is a very strong telepathic connection between both of you, and that's why sometimes you can feel your twin with you. You can even feel their touch, and it occurs mostly when you are in your meditation or before you are going to sleep. When you are calm, you are relaxed, then you can feel their touch. You can feel everything about them, what they are thinking, their thoughts. If they are very passionate for you, you can feel that very clearly. Okay, so these are some facts, and guys, please tell me in comment that if you like my video. Okay, so thank you so much. Bye.